Good morning. This is Keith Hockenberry from the network. Just trying to show you guys what I'm taking, what I'm throwing away. So this row of hoppers here beside the stackers, I'm going to throw that whole row away. Keeping the stackers. This row beside the stackers, that whole row can be thrown away. From that row over, boom, 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 keeping all the way to that little pallet of grippers in the back. And then I'll move this over. These are the grippers for the 1000A. I'll be taking that. And then one thing I can't get to is hoping maybe if Vincent can come over and help us, he'd get this pallet here. It's got the vacuum shuttle on it and some other parts that I need. So I'd like to have that. And then, of course, I'm going to take these twisters. Those will be coming with me. So the 2 twisters. And that's about it. So I'm going to ask Vincent if he'd come over and help me consolidate some of this and then take some parts off of some of this other 1000 stuff. So I want to show you that now. On this 1000, it's marked for Arden, but I'd really like to have out of the back here, kind of talking more to Vincent than anybody, but see that sprocket and the gear, and that's part, you know, that drives this big long shaft and the 2 sprockets on that. And over there on the other side is the clutch. I'd like to have that whole assembly, the gear, sprockets, double sprockets there, the shaft, and then the auto guard clutch, and even the belt on it. The other thing is, out of this unit here, I'd like to have this aluminum gripper profile. I can use that on an install I'm doing, so it's inside the machine. And also would like to have this vacuum shuttle, because that vacuum shuttle looks like it's really good shape. And then what's really important is back here, this set of sprockets, the big sprocket and the shaft that goes through it. I'd like to have that whole assembly. I could really use that. And then one other thing is on this unit, I'd like to have all of these rails here. Bottom, top, through this whole unit. And then also in this unit over here that we're going to scrap, what is, you know, these units that I just showed you that we're going to scrap, but those rails too, the top and bottom on those rails, I could use those. And then also these tie plates here that tie them together, I'd like to get those taken off. And these two, these tie plates here that tie the modules together, I'd like to have those out of that before it gets scrapped. So that's about it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.